Hey, welcome back to Rust Worn Home Garage. My name is Tim, and today we're going to be in the front garage area working on my old 3 GMC HD 1500. And we got a miss on cylinder 6 and 7, or 7 and 8, excuse me. And I have put plug wires on it. That didn't seem to be the problem. I was checking with my top-down scanner, and it keeps telling me we have misfire more on 8 than 7, and those are at the back, and this is a 6.0 liter. So today I'm going to install some coil packs and some new plugs. This truck does have 150,000 miles on it, and I don't remember the last time that I did that. I've had this truck 10 plus years, so let's get started. All right. All right, we got all of the plugs, plug wires, and coils all reassembled on both sides. You see there, nice pretty red wires. I don't know why they're not black, but you know, whatever. As you can see, all together, this does have a cold air setup on it. And here is the plugs that come out of it. And they're iridiums. They're really not that bad for 150,000 miles on the truck. And they have been changed before. Now let's see if you can read that. NGKs is what they are. Somebody had put in there. And I see that one of them's an AC Delco. Now I've had this truck quite a while, and I've not changed them. The coil packs, they look factory. Now that one's kind of oily. I think that's from the valve cover. Of course, there's the spark plug wires. I mean, them I have changed, so I know that those have been changed. So let's go fire it off and see what happens. Yep, we're gonna have to run the scanner on it and change that, get rid of that check engine light. Seems to be smooth now. It had a dead miss on number 8, and yeah, perfectly smooth now. Hey, I just want to thank you for watching this video. If you watched it all the way through, it's just a short video about replacing some coil packs, plugs, and plug wires, just a simple tune-up. And if you hadn't already, it really helps the channel out if you'll hit that subscribe button and give me a like. And if you want to, hit that notification bell and follow along. We just kind of hang out and do random stuff. So once again, appreciate you watching, and we'll see you on the next one.